Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can delete your old Instagram account without knowing your password. Sometimes we make some dummy accounts and we forgot the password of these accounts after some months or weeks. But if you want to delete these types of account, you just need to follow my steps carefully. The first step you have to do is to open the Instagram on your phone. As you can see, here it shows two accounts. I want to delete the second account, but when I click on this login button, it asks me to type the password. But I already told you that I don't know the password. Then we need to take help from our current active account. Now I am going to log into my current active account. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my current active account. Then at the bottom, you will see a search icon. Click into it. After clicking into it, at the top, you will see a search bar. Click into it and type the previous dummy account user ID. As you can see, I have written my previous dummy account user ID and now I am going to search and click on it. Now I got my dummy account. Next, at the top right hand corner, you will see a three dot. Click on it. Now at the first option, you will see a report option. Click into it. Then you will see that here it is written, they are pretending to be someone else. Click on it. Then it will ask, who are they pretending to be? You have to click on second option, me. Then click on next. Then if you want to block or restrict this account, you can do whatever you want. Then get back from this menu. Now it will show, thanks for reporting this profile. After 1 month, the Instagram will automatically delete this account without asking this profile password. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find more useful tips and tricks daily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.